Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Kia
morning,
and
ma'am.
Dhwani, turn on your camera,
Good
please.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dhwani, turn on your camera. So, students, as you know that we have done the four-digit multiplicand and four-digit multiplier also. Now we moving to the story problems of multiplication. So, write the heading multiplication story problems. It is called word problems also. Why it is story problems? It is in the form of a story. So, I am giving you one example. The weight of a box. A box means it's a one box. Weight of a box is 8,485 grams. What is the total weight of 40 such boxes?
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
Yes. What is the total weight of 45 such boxes? In the story problem, the main thing is the statement. You have to understand the question first, and here there is specifically I have given you that this is the multiplication sums, but in exam all the four operation will be asked in one paper. Addition का भी story problem होता है, multiplication भी होता है, division भी होता है, but we will not tell you the question number 1 is for multiplication, 2 is the division, 3 is the addition. No, you have to understand the language of the question and see which operation you will apply here. Am I clear?
Ma'am, what have you written after
I will
8,400?
not explain first this. What I am saying, please pay attention there. I will give you enough time to copy it this. What I am saying, the important thing is all the operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, story problems will be combined in your paper. Arafapani, Krishavuria, turn on your camera. Will be combined in your एक साथ होते हैं सारे story problems paper में. You have to identify that Thare, please stop this. You have to identify that this story problem is related with which operation. Clear? And now how to identify that whether the story problem is of multiplication or not? Here the weight of one box is given and you have to find out the weight for many box, means we have to find out for 45 box. Means how you will find, when for the information for one is given and you need to find for many, please always remember that you have to multiply. Am I clear? Now comes the statement part. How to write the statements. Many of you face the difficulty of writing the statement in the story problem. My dear students, there is no need to read or learn the statements. Statements are given to you in the word problem only. उसी की ही लाइन से ही स्टेटमेंट बनता है, हमें लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं होती स्टेटमेंट्स को. Am I clear? So now the query come in your mind that ma'am, what will be the first line, what will be the second line? Children, always remember the beginning lines, the starting lines are depend on what is given to you. आपको क्या information given है? आपको information यहाँ क्या given है? The weight of one box इतना है. This is the first statement which is given to you, and you have to find for the 45 boxes, which will be your second statement. And your third statement after multiplication, what you have find it out. So here there are three statements only. One statement which is given to you that there is the weight of one box is this. And the second statement is based on what you have to find out, which is 44, 5 you have to write. And the third statement is the total. Fine. Got it, everyone? This way we have to write the statement of the story problem, the statement of the multiplication. So can anyone tell me, if I do the solution of this sum, what will be the first statement? Yes, Dhwani.
The first statement will be
Ma'am, can I say these?
If Dhwani is speaking, Sudhir have to wait. Yes, Dhwani, speak.
the first statement will be the price, the weight of a box.
So you will write the weight of one box or a box is this. So always remember when you are writing the statement, like I will write here, please note here, the weight of a, suppose you don't need to continue in the one line. Write in the next line a box, because आपको यहाँ number लिखना है, उसके लिए भी आपके पास space होना चाहिए. So that you can write the number below the number, then will be easy for you to multiplication and addition or subtraction. अगर वो statement first statement बड़ा है, so half write in the first line, half write in the second line. This is the way. Don't complete the one statement in the one line, फिर आपको number लिखने में problem होगी. Clear? So the weight of a box is 8,485. Then your second statement will be weight of
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
Ask
You have written the weight of 8,485
I have written the weight of a box in. I have used two lines for the one statement. Why I have used two lines for the one statement? If I keep on writing here in the same line, then I will not have a space to write the numbers. The weight of a box is. अब मुझे बताओ मैं नंबर कहाँ लिखूंगी? That's why I told you use the two lines for the statement so that you can write, keep the space, always keep your right hand side space for the solution. हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड में कुछ स्पेस सॉल्यूशन के लिए रखा करो. तो अगर इस लाइन में नहीं आ रहा है स्टेटमेंट तो यूज टू लाइंस, बट यहां से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके ये स्पेस आप हमेशा सॉल्यूशन के लिए रखा करो फॉर द स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम्स. Am I clear? When you see in the books also, in the different books, I'll show you the solution if it is done in the book, any of the book. They also do like this only. They always keep the space. Let me check. So please continue and carry on, students. Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. When you see in this my book, I will show you. First line is, can you all pin my screen? First line is cost of one CD player equals to this. So when you write the number below the number, will be easy for the addition, will be easy for the multiplication, will be easy for the division. Am I clear?
Ma'am, can you show it once again?
You have not seen before in any of the book, Vedi? कि कैसे
Ma'am,
होता
I
है?
have seen, but it was not clear. I didn't.
See, they are doing the solution this right hand side. Number के नीचे number है. Then only
Yes,
possible
ma'am.
to do the solution. In addition, also, if you see, always they keep right side for the solution in the story problems. And they write the statement towards the left side. Let me take the attendance for a minute and copy it down, everyone. And please do the solution by your own. In case if you are not able to complete it, please take either the screenshot or write the questions first and then do the solution after the class also will be okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 3,81,825.
Yeah, in story problem answer to you will get because you have already learned the method. Main thing is you need to learn the how to write the
Ma'am, what we have to write in the second statement?
second statement will be a weight of total weight of 45 boxes, or you will say weight number of boxes. Yeah, second statement will be number of boxes 45.
Statement I have written like this.
What? Let me check. वेट ऑफ 45 बॉक्सेस नो वेट ऑफ 45 बॉक्सेस थोड़ी है ये सेकंड स्टेटमेंट अभी तो आपने वेट निकाला ही नहीं है 45 बॉक्सेस का लास्ट स्टेटमेंट विल बी द वेट ऑफ 45 बॉक्सेस टोटल वेट ऑफ 45 बॉक्सेस ये नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस है आपके पास नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस 45 द वेट ऑफ अ बॉक्स ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट था is 8485 and now when you multiply 45 and get the answer and give me the answer. What is your answer coming?
Ma'am, can I give?
Your last statement will be, what will be your last statement? Total. This will be your last statement. Total weight of 45 boxes.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, please give me the answer.
ma'am, the
38,000.
8485 multiplied by 45.
ma'am, can I give the answer?
Who was giving me 833? What is the answer, Dhwani?
Ma'am, it is
38,000.
3,81,810.
3,81,810.
10.
नो आपने 5 + 5 10 कर दिया क्या बच्चा
Ma'am, can I say?
यस आरव अपानी
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3,81,825.
हाँ ध्वनि has done 5 + 5 not multiplied. Can we go to the next question? Can I erase the question Vedi and all?
No, ma'am,
Yes.
doing.
Please do fast, otherwise it will what will happen in a one period only one question we will do.
Ma'am, now my answer is correct.
What
3
is your
lakh
answer?
3,81,825.
हाँ write the next question. I'm not erasing full, so don't worry. I'm just erasing the top part. Question number 2. How many hours are there in 1 year? Now you will say, ma'am, there are no numbers. How we will find the answer?
Ma'am, we can find the answer.
Yes, so find out and tell me which two numbers are there. You will multiply and find the answer. How many hours are there in 1 year?
20. First, we will find out the hours in one day and then days.
Yes, first you should know how many hours in a 1 day. How many hours in a 1 day?
24.
24.
And 24.
And how many days in a 1 year?
165.
365.
Oh,
365 days.
365. Take a normal year, don't take a leap year. So take a normal year, 365 days in a 1 year. So 365 days in a 1 year. I'm having 24 hours in a day. So 365
I got the number.
multiply. Tell me.
Ma'am, 365 multiply by 24.
24.
Ah. You will see there is a one line only, but there are no numbers. So we have to read the language of the question and find the numbers.
Can I say the answer?
Aravapan, you are solving it or you are solving somewhere?
ma'am,
Where are you? Turn on your camera. You are
there will be this
Solving.
statements.
This is the
Yes, there will be the statement. You will say number of hours in a day, number of days in a year. So now here the hours are less, which is 24, and the year is 365. So which statement will come first, students? Up 20, because number of the digits are not same.
Ma'am?
एक में 2 है, एक में 3 digits है.
I know.
Yes, Vedi.
Number of days in a year.
हाँ, नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर वाला जो स्टेटमेंट है वो पहले आएगा, बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग 3 डिजिट्स. अगर 2 डिजिट्स का ऊपर लिख लोगे, 3 डिजिट्स का नीचे लिखोगे तो आप मल्टीप्लीकेशन नहीं कर पाओगे. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट विल बी नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट विल बी नंबर ऑफ आवर्स इन अ डे, एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई. ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? When there are number of digits are same, अगर 3 3 है, 2 2 है, तो आप कोई भी स्टेटमेंट पहले लिखो, there is no difference. But if the number of digits are different, एक में 2 है, एक में 3 है, एक में 4 है, एक में 2 है, so see the higher number of digits will come first.
Ma'am, so we have to write number of days in a year first one statement.
Yes. And the second statement will be
Ma'am, why
number of
you have
days in
written 45?
huh?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, Sarav.
Ma'am, we have to say the answer.
Pragyan Vedi is also given.
8,760.
Let me check. 365 multiplied by 24.
Ma'am, it is
8,760.
8,760.
Yes, 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 Vihan. So
Excuse
you children
me.
understood the concept?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
What will be the last sentence?
They are asking how many hours, the total number of hours.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second statement.
First statement is clear, number of days in a year. Second, number of hours in a day. Number of hours in a day, 24. Because you are finding the total number of hours in a year. So now the answer will be total number of hours in a year.
Ma'am, the third statement will be total number of hours in
in
1 year is equal to.
Yes. Can I raise the first question?
Ma'am, what is the answer first and second?
Ma'am, my answer is coming.
Second is 8,760.
Yes, and first one.
Wait, let me check the first one. First one is 8485 multiplied by 45. 3,81,825.
Yes, yes.
This answer is 8,760 and this answer is 3,81,825. Comma. I'm writing the third question now.
No, ma'am. Just wait a minute. I'm just multiplying.
You can do a football weight. Please mute yourself with Dheer. A football weight 288 grams. I'm writing a short form for the grams, or I can write it here. 288 grams. एक फुटबॉल का वेट है. What is the total weight of 175 such footballs? This is the weight of a one football ball, and what is the total weight of 175 such football? After this third one, two sums you have to frame it by your own and tell me what is the language of your question.
Ma'am, you forgot to write.
Now in this question, Viha, can you tell me what will be the first line of the statement?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It will be the weight of one football is 288 grams.
Yes. Diva, what will be the second line of the statement? What will be the second line? Who will tell me what will be the second line of the statement?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can
Kritika.
Weight of 175 footballs.
No. Number of
Number of
footballs. This is not this. You have to find out what is the total weight. ये तो आपको निकालना है. तो आपको बस गिवन क्या है 175 फुटबॉल्स गिवन है तो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट विल बी नंबर ऑफ फुटबॉल्स 175 एंड व्हाट विल बी द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट अर्थ
Ma'am, total weight of football.
टोटल वेट ऑफ
Football.
फुटबॉल्स yes please find the answer for multiplication and do two sums by your own and tell me the language of your question. I want to see, I want to listen and write it, everyone. Please
Can I
lower
see
down
the
your hands. Vedi, Dheer, you want to give me one story problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give.
No, ma'am, I don't want to give. I want to go to the washroom.
Go. Harsh, Keshwani, Diva, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, can I give you one story problem?
Jory, give me.
What, ma'am?
Give me. Dhwani, give.
Yes.
I will not write your story problem on the board. Okay. Everyone will make their own story problems too. Yes.
There are 24 unicorn dolls.
24
Unicorn.
unicorns. Okay.
And the cost of one is 150. How many?
How many will not come?
Find out the total amount of all.
Yes. Yes. Can any other child will make? Asta. Asta, will you try?
Ma'am,
Where is Asta today? She is not visible to me.
I'm making. So that's why after some children.
Yes, Pritika, can you speak any story problem based on multiplication?
a toy car weight is 100 grams. What is the total weight of 21 such cars?
Good. Yes, any other child? Yes, Moin Kuledi, give me the story problem. Moin Kaludi, I'm talking to you. Give me any story problem of your own.
I have 400 grams of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I have 5 cars. What is the amount of more 5 cars?
No. Yes, Biha. Yes, Pritika.
We have to, in the question 3 football one, what will be the second statement?
Your one football weight you said, no? In my
Yes.
the number of the football here, what will say? Football, one football weight is this. Second statement will be number of the footballs are 175. Number of footballs. And the third will be total weight of footballs. Yes. Can any other child will give me the one story
Can I?
problem? Yes, Vedi.
A book cost rupees 85 if I need
Hmm.
a book cost rupees 85
Hmm.
and I need 75 books.
Hmm.
What will be the cost of
Hmm.
75 such books?
Very good. Yes, Hare, can you make a story problem? Children, now it is very good time to you to make the story problem because you are going to buy the uniform, shoes, bag, books, pay the fees for the 1 month. If suppose I am telling the 1 month food, right, it's 3,500 for 1 month. What will be the price for 500? So you can make the story problem on your real life situation also. And always remember, when for one is given and you need to find for many, you have to always do the multiplication. जब आपको one के बारे में information है, एक की given है और आपको many की निकालनी है, so you need to do multiplication. This is the concept. Yes, Hare.
I bought a laptop of 80,500.
Hmm.
I want to buy 24 more. How much price will be there?
For 84 laptops. So आपको multiply करना है.
24.
And always remember, write the statements properly. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, not 84.
24, no?
Yes.
हाँ. Yes, Mohammed. Can you make any story problem?
No, we have to make two.
Yes, ma'am.
Two story problem.
There are 50 mangoes
Hmm.
I have taken from a mango shop.
Hmm.
One mango cost 550. One mango cost is 20 rupees, 10 rupees. So 50 mango cost. How it is 50 mango cost?
What will be the cost?
What will be the cost of 50 mango?
15 or 50?
50, 50.
50, okay. Mohammed, your mic is equaling to that.
Hello?
Just check it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is little bit, but still equal. My voice is coming double.
One minute.
Any other child is ready?
Now it is, ma'am. Now.
Okay. You mute yourself, Mohammed.
Ma'am,
Mia, turn on your camera. How many times you need the reminder? Wait, Asta. Yes, Asta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, 50, ma'am.
I got. Yes, Asta.
okay, ma'am. In a cake shop, one cake is for rupees 750. I want to buy 25 cake. Total how many amount I will
Total
give?
how much amount? How many नहीं आता amount के साथ no? How much amount I have to pay?
How much amount I will give to shopkeeper?
Very good.
750 multiply 25.
Hmm.
I have to pay 5,250 rupees.
Okay, so you are clear with the statement. Which statement will be the first? Which will be the second?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Any other child is ready for the story problem?
Yes.
Moksh, turn on your camera.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Can you please speak something on the topic which we are doing today?
Ma'am, can I
You are
say
not writing also, you're simply sitting. Here you adopted online or offline?
offline?
You are coming to school?
Yes.
Okay. And Diva, you? Diva, you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, both are
offline.
coming.
Ma'am, can I say
From this, only me and
Yes.
Earth are only going online.
I have 25 grams
How many
of
of you are going
carbs
to online?
Only me and Earth.
Only you and
and
us. Okay.
I have a 25 grams of carbs and price is 4 lakh. What is the
You
cost
have
of
25 grams of car.
not 250?
Grams. Car will not come in the gram, na? You can say the
Weight
weight of a car is this much gram.
25.
One car weight is this much gram. Can you
What
speak
is
again,
the
Moin Kule? Can you speak again?
I have a 25 weights of car and what is and price is 4 lakh. What is the more what is
No,
the
no,
cost of
no,
5 cars?
no, language is wrong. Any other child who's ready for the story problem? Vedi, you have done, na? Dhwani also done. Kritika done. Any other child can speak?
Ma'am, I.
Who is I?
Who is
Arush.
I?
Okay.
Arush. Okay. No, ma'am. Mohammed Momin.
Mohammed, yours
Mohammed,
I have
yours I have
already listened.
already listened.
And please check your mic, Mohammed. It's echoing when I speak.
Ma'am, I have made my second
My second
submission.
Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Arush, you
Arush,
speak.
you speak. Yes, ma'am, not.
I have gone to a cake shop. There is one slice cost is 100 rupees.
What
Then
you have to buy?
a cake shop. There the one slice of a cake is 100 rupees. Then the full cake cost will be
आपको क्या पता उसके स्लाइसेस कितने किए हैं फुल केक के? है ना? You say the cake is divided into 4 equal parts and the one slice cost is 100. What will be the cost of 4 slices? अगर आप स्लाइसेस ही नहीं बताओगे उसने किए हैं, उसने 6 स्लाइसेस किए हो तो केक के, आर यू अवेयर कितने स्लाइसेस किए हैं? नो ना?
no ma'am.
तो
I can tell one story problem, second one.
यस रितिका.
There are 25 pineapples in a basket.
Hmm.
Each pineapple weight is 100 grams.
Hmm.
What is the total weight of all the pineapples?
आंसर भी आ गया होगा इजीली. 25 multiplied by 100
Yes.
will give you what, Pritika? You have taken easy numbers, no?
Yes.
Yes. Any other child who wants to try the story problem? Here, will you try? Viha, sorry.
Ma'am, can I try this?
Yes, dear, please try.
I have a football. His cost is its cost is 400 and how many will be how is the cost
What
of-
is the?
what is the cost of 25 football?
Okay.
So a football the cost of one football is 400 and number of footballs is 25. So We will do multiplication.
Yes. So children, I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the multiplication story problems. Please solve all the questions in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Day.
Bye, ma'am.